sorry, dude. I can't see with this fucking guard up like that.
I'm recording. Alright, Fire 1, Suzuki.
Got the new, what is this? Yoshimura? What's it called? Yoshimura. Oh yeah, Yoshimura exhaust. And a BMC.
Just installed it, legit.
And just did the BMC air filter. So we're gonna see how it sounds.
Give it a little gas. Alright. Ooh.
That was sick.
Sounds like power. Firepower.
Pain in the ass to cut that bitch off, but we did it.
Almost cut my thumb off.
Yeah.
That was cool. That was sick.
Old air filter.
Oh, and keep in mind it's 10:41 at night.
Old
Look,
air.
look, he had a mouse nest growing in his filter. And if you don't believe me, where's it at? Look, there's the poopy.
Bunch of mouse shit.
And there's the nest.
And we bought this from the dealership like this.
Bastards.
So it's always good to check your shit, because I bought this like this. So yeah. New exhaust, new air filter. Go ride, and I'll post it up on YouTube as soon as I do that.